Tesla Model S reaches 236k miles with number maintenance. Those who have closely followed Tesla's story over the years would know about Germany-based Tesla owner Hansj&ouml Gemmingens' 2014 Model S P85, which broke the 1.18 million mile mark in late November. But while the legendary road warrior has made records that would likely not be beaten for some time, the fact remains that the Model S P85 is one of Tesla's earlier vehicles, and it was still a product of its time. As such, it was not really a surprise that the Model S P85 replaced a number of critical components during its 1.18 million mile journey. So far, the vehicle has had its batteries replaced 3 times, while its rear motor has been replaced 13 times. Now, Tesla has significantly improved its vehicles since the days of the Model S P85, as highlighted by the experience of professional rally driver and Tesla owner Piero Longhi. Longhi is not a regular Tesla driver. He is also one of the world's more prolific rally drivers. And in a recent post on his personal Facebook page, Longhi revealed that his Tesla Model S has successfully reached 380,000 kilometers, 236,000 miles in 6 years. While higher mileage Teslas exist, the rally driver's vehicle is quite special since it was able to reach the milestone with practically no maintenance at all. Such a feat would likely not be possible with a combustion-powered car, as ICE vehicles require regular service checks, maintenance, and fluid changes. Longhi would know, of course, as he has driven some of the world's most extreme combustion-powered vehicles, in the form of the rally cars that he has personally driven over his long racing career. Overall, the rally driver seemed very happy with his Tesla Model S. Honestly not sure what the future will be, and I don't want to get into any electric car debates. I am really happy with my Tesla, Longhi wrote. In a way, the rally driver's experience with his high-mileage Tesla Model S bodes well for owners of the company's vehicles today. Longhi's Model S is a 6-year-old vehicle, after all. Tesla's vehicle design has improved significantly since then, so vehicles like the Model S Plaid and cars like the Cybertruck, which carry Tesla's most advanced tech today, may very well be even more reliable. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at Teslarati.